Until the early 2000s, tailgates functioned merely as a basic barrier at the rear of the truck bed, limiting access and usability. The evolution of tailgate design has significantly transformed the functionality of pickup trucks, particularly following Honda's 2006 introduction of the double-hinge tailgate that could open both downward and to the side. This breakthrough not only improved ease of loading and unloading cargo, but also set a new standard in the industry that prompted manufacturers to reevaluate and innovate their designs. Pickup trucks are now equipped with an array of advanced tailgate features, including built-in step ladders, integrated storage solutions, and even multifunctional options for outdoor activities. The revolution initiated by Honda continues to influence the market, and what's on the menu today? Let's take a look in this video. Honda Dual-Action Tailgate. Let's start with the Pioneer. Today, their feature is called the Dual-Action Tailgate, and this double-hinge system redefines how users interact with their trucks, especially in work settings. For tradespeople and contractors, loading and unloading materials became significantly easier. There are no more awkward angles or bending over the sides of the bed. This tailgate allows for seamless access to tools, supplies, and equipment. Moreover, the ability to load longer items without extending them over the side promoted safe transport, making it an ideal choice for those who often work with lumber or landscaping materials. Additionally, Honda's thoughtful design incorporated integrated tie-downs, making it easier to secure loads during travel. Ram Multifunction Tailgate. In 2019, FCA, now Stellantis Group, introduced the multifunction tailgate, marking a significant leap forward in this technology. This innovative tailgate features dual swing-open doors that could fold down at a 60-40 split, providing a substantial weight capacity while drastically improving the ease of access to the truck bed. The tailgate was a game-changer for those in construction. The access to the bed was revolutionized, allowing workers to load and unload heavy equipment or materials with minimal effort. No longer did they need to climb over a high tailgate, they could simply swing open the doors and step right in. In addition to its remarkable functionality, the Ram trucks also offered other enticing features like the Ram Box, which provides secure, lockable storage compartments integrated into the side walls of the bed. This is perfect for storing tools and gear that are easily accessible when needed. With its superb capabilities and practicality, the Ram Multifunction Tailgate quickly became a favorite among hard-working individuals who value efficiency. GMC MULTIPRO Tailgate. Not too long after Ram got the multifunctional tailgate, General Motors responded with the MULTIPRO system for the GMC Sierra 1500. The tailgate has up to 6 functions built into one innovative design. With its distinctive fold-out step, the MULTIPRO allowed for easy access to the truck bed, making it a fantastic solution for those who frequently manage heavy or bulky cargo. The tailgate's multiple configurations allow it to serve as a traditional gate, a step, a work surface, or even a load stop to secure oversized cargo. The inner gate, when folded down, creates a second tier for longer items like ladders or lumber, while also featuring an integrated handle to make climbing into the bed safer and easier. For those who need a portable workstation, the tailgate's inner surface doubles as a sturdy desk, offering a perfect spot for reviewing blueprints, making quick repairs, or signing contracts. Its unique inner tailgate extension provided a place to secure longer items safely, while the integrated LED lights illuminated the work area for better visibility in low light conditions, and with an optional kicker audio system, the tailgate transforms into an entertainment hub, perfect for outdoor gatherings. The MULTIPRO design complements other standout features in GMC's lineup, such as the available Carbon Pro bed, made from carbon fiber composite for enhanced durability, and the GMC Sierra's advanced ProGrade trailering system, which simplifies towing with a suite of high-tech features like hitch guidance and trailer light testing. Chevrolet MultiFlex Tailgate. Following the success of GMC's MULTIPRO, Chevrolet launched the MultiFlex Tailgate 2 years later, enhancing the functionality of the Silverado trucks. The MultiFlex design retained many of the user-friendly features seen in GMC's offering, including a built-in step and a versatile load stop, but added its own twist with a unique fold-down feature. Workers quickly recognized the benefits of the MultiFlex tailgate, as it facilitated a smooth transition from loading to unloading heavy materials. The added capability of a secondary work surface allowed for on-site adjustments without needing to haul everything into the office. The two-step setup made reaching tools or materials easier and more efficient, saving valuable time on the job. The MultiFlex tailgate doesn't just stop at versatility, it's also built for durability. Constructed to withstand the rigors of tough jobs, it integrates seamlessly with the Sierra's other rugged features, such as the Carbon Pro bed. This carbon fiber composite bed is not only lighter than steel but also more resistant to dents, scratches, and corrosion, ensuring your truck is as durable as your workload demands. Additionally, the Silverado continued to innovate with helpful features like the corner step rear bumper, which provided easy access to the truck bed, ensuring that every inch of the truck was optimized for work. With the multiflex tailgate, Chevrolet didn't just catch up, they expanded their reach, meeting the demands of a contemporary workforce. Ford Pro Access Tailgate. Although slightly late to the party, Ford came roaring back with the introduction of the Pro Access Tailgate. This latest feature for the F-150 is a testament to company's commitment to delivering utility and convenience for hard-working individuals. The tailgate opens in a way that allows for easy access, while still providing the traditional drop-down feature. The standout option of the Pro Access Tailgate is its swing-out center door, a design choice that ensures easy access to the truck bed without needing to lower the entire tailgate. This is especially useful in tight spaces or when towing a trailer, as it eliminates the need for a wide-open tailgate that might get in the way. Ford didn't stop with just a clever tailgate. The Pro Access system is designed to integrate seamlessly with other features that make the F-150 a workhorse. The tailgate's flat surface can double as a workstation, complete with built-in rulers, a mobile device holder, and even cup holders for breaks on the job. Combine that with available in-bed LED lighting and 120-volt power outlets, and the F-150 becomes a mobile job site capable of charging tools and lighting up the workspace. The pickup truck also excels in towing technology, offering Pro Trailer Backup Assist, Smart Hitch, and a trailer theft alert system. Tesla Cybertruck Tailgate Ramp. Tesla has never been one to follow the crowd, and the Cybertruck's tailgate is no exception. True to company's innovative spirit, the electric pickup comes equipped with a built-in ramp that takes utility to a new level. This unique feature combines futuristic design with real-world functionality. The ramp is a game-changer for anyone who regularly loads heavy or wheeled equipment. Integrated directly into the tailgate, the ramp allows users to roll items like ATVs, motorcycles, lawn equipment, or building materials directly into the bed. With the Cybertruck's adjustable air suspension, the rear of the truck can lower for an even gentler loading angle. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Cybertruck's bed, dubbed the Vault, is designed for versatility. Its ultra-durable stainless steel construction ensures it can withstand the toughest jobs, while the retractable tonneau cover adds security and protection from the elements. With a 100 cubic foot capacity, the Cybertruck's bed offers more than enough space for tools, materials, or outdoor gear. Additionally, the integrated power outlets and onboard air compressor turn the truck into a mobile workstation. Tesla has also ensured that the Cybertruck's tailgate complements the vehicle's overall futuristic ethos. The sleek design integrates seamlessly into the angular lines of the pickup, offering a glimpse into the future of utility vehicles. As you have noticed, Toyota is missing from this video. The Japanese automaker remains committed to a classic tailgate design, opting not to offer multifunctional options just yet. Their focus is currently on other innovations, and with hybrid trucks still struggling to prove their profitability, it's only a matter of time before Toyota hops on the bandwagon and joins the tailgate revolution.